My friend and I thrifted the most beautifully colored brand new bedsheet for $7.99. The project in mind, my Billow Frock pattern, which features tons of gathers to get that romantic billow. Sam is a total beginner when it comes to sewing, so I knew I would be carrying most of the weight with the construction, but I was excited to have her try some of the simpler aspects of the dress and just have a fun time together. Before Sam arrived, I started a few steps. I prepped the machines with matching blue threads. I sewed and pressed the bias binding for the neckline,
front sleeve,
and I sewed the sleeves to the bodice.
Time to sew the bias binding on, but first, let's introduce Sam is here! I'm here! Is this the color for her or what? This is Sam, my beautiful friend. Native to Korea, and going back too soon. But yes, she is going to learn some sewing techniques today.
First technique, gathering.
5. What we do is we lengthen the stitch so that we can pull it easily, and that will make it gather. So just line up this stitch with the edge of this. Okay. You got this!
Oh my.
How does it feel?
It's amazing.
She's a pro. I don't even have to like watch her, guys. Seriously.
Yay!
It's beautiful.
Look at this. Oh.
So this is the center of the piece. And so this whole piece has to be like gathered to match it. Can you pass me? Yeah, they're weights.
Wow.
I thought it's small. I know it's small but mighty. You just take the 2 bottom threads. You just hold this and gently like pull it along. So I'm gonna leave you.
I'm confident with that.
Yes! I love to hear it! Wow! I need somebody in-house to help me sew with this stuff.
I'm expensive, Lydia.
Of course!
How do you call this?
Oh, gathering. She's finished, everybody. Like, could I have done it better than myself? Could I have done it better myself? No! Could I have done it better than myself? Look at, how did she know to do that? Wow. I'm done. Finish your dress, girl. You know what you're doing. I'm way too extras.
You're gonna edit it so much, right?
So, you don't know how much, like...
While Sam gathered, I continued with the bodice, adding the bias binding to the neckline for the elastic channel.
Okay, turn to the camera so that everybody can see the gorgeousness. Whoa. Guys, I can't wait for the photo shoot because this girl... Even I have to look at my own instructions. Elastic, extra small, 39 inches.
As you can see, all 4 of the tiers were gathered, so we moved on to adding elastic to the neckline.
Wow, this is a fun job.
So we just had lunch. Sam made the most gorgeous focaccia that was so delicious. So now we're gonna get back to it. Oh my goodness, it's coming together. Like, start pinning from the center out and make sure that not like this isn't like bunched up like that or something. Just make sure it's flat. And you're good to go. Sam had to step out for a minute, so I've got my first tier for the back pinned together, so I'm going to sew that together and then overlock it. Essential! Yes, good. I have no complaints. Yeah, this is the front. Oh, I use the color. Oh, wow, what a princess. Do you want to try the serger? Serger?
What's serger?
Okay, just... That's okay. Did it come? Your reaction.
I was so
hard. You know what it is? We can work with that. Yeah. Whew. But you know why? It's because it was sideways, and so it was pressing harder without you trying.
Come on.
Yep. You got it.
Really?
Now, you. Oh, I was pressing.
Oh no.
Keep going.
Yep. Now you slip.
You got it.
Wow.
And see, serger's not that scary. I don't even think you can see me in the frame.
Okay, now I can enjoy. Maybe I can hopefully.
We can sew together. Oh my goodness. Metal to the metal. There you go. You did it!
Oh, it was scary. More scary than that first time I drive.
So this is right side together. This is the wrong side. You want it on the right side.
Because the parents are coming.
Real.
Well, thank you again for your time and energy and your talent. Oh. Is that your heart?
I'm so happy to send a piece of me to Korea.
No.
That's all it's about. I just want to be in Korea. No,
Blue dresses in Seoul. Blue dresses in Busan. Blue dresses in Jeju Island.
Yeah. Oh my god. No, I just. I love that you came here and that I got to meet you. And I don't know. I just want to send a little.
You know what? I will.
Something home.
Yeah, I will tell everybody about this dress. And you know what? You know where this dress come from? My friend Lydia. You can check YouTube. Then we
And subscribe, girl.
made it.
Get me to 1 million. All we have to do is the pockets and the hems, and then we're done. But we're not going to work ourselves to the bone. No, no, no. We are going to take a break. See you guys next time. Okay. So hard. Okay, guys, we are back. It is Monday. It's been a couple days. I had to work on some other things, but Sam is back. We're going to finish the Billow Frock today. Let's get to it. Okay, so what we can do is just line up the little notch. There's a little notch on the pocket with that top notch. But on a bad day, it looked kind of like Lord Farquaad.
What's that? Laura Farquaad?
No, Lord Farquaad. It's from, wait, I'll show you pictures. It's from Shrek.
Oh,
You know that
I know. The small guy?
Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
It's just like,
Oh,
I mean,
no
like a
way.
curly look. Okay, not that bad, but.
Oh.
And I'll let you sew.
I stepped out for 1 minute. See? You can't step out
I can't leave.
Yeah. Left your baby, okay?
Wait, what did you do? You press this.
Yes, yes.
Okay, just back stitch. Start again. Sew forward again and back stitch.
Just as it is.
Yeah, just as it is, because it just cut off the stitch. Yes, a back stitch is a knot. Sam's like, cringe.
Cringe is what you.
Oh, cringe is like.
Yeah, I learned
Oh, you know.
cringe from you.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. you said
How fitting. How
you
fitting.
said that in the connect group, and I was like,
Oh.
cringe, and then after the connect group, I
You
looked
looked
up, and then cringe. That's what I want. That's the word I want to say. So, cringe.
I love that. That's so funny that I taught you cringe because I'm a cringy person. Like,
And you
there's
made,
a lot of cringy things.
Yeah, you made the video with that word, right?
Yeah. Cringing at my old videos.
Yeah, right. I remember that.
Put it through the ringer. Oh, what? Oh no, it's just.
happened?
Wait.
I'm so ashamed.
No. It's nothing. It's just the thread from the end got caught on the. Yeah.
Oh,
No big deal. But I understand.
how can I live without you?
You know what? This morning I was thinking like, oh my goodness, how am I gonna live without Sam? And then I started thinking that song, Can't live if living is without you. Can't live. So these seams are different ways, so the stitching part has to line up. So
Huh.
yeah.
Wow, you're so patient. Lydia.
I am because I'm a slow person.
I'm like,
so.
I'm torturing you. Listen to me. Why you're so...
No, you're not.
can't go anywhere. Just listen to me.
You're not charging at all. I find it really interesting.
Sometimes we skip, so it's not regular.
Okay, last step.
It's much better than I
Wow. All we have to do is just tighten this a little bit, which we've left it undone. So if you guys are making a Billow Frock, just leave it undone till the last minute, try it on and see how you like it. And you can tighten it or loosen the elastic. It's so pretty.
Love it.
I like it better on you than me. Oh,
it's not.
I can't wait to do the photo shoot. It's gonna be so pretty. Oh, you are most welcome. Wonderful. So we will see you guys on the streets when we taking videos of this gorgeous dress. It's such a beautiful evening. Thank you guys for watching.